Hello friends, hope you are doing good. In this discussion we will see the overview of different type of views in Odoo, especially the backend GUI side. In case you missed previous discussion about how to use special commands, please check link is given in description. You can see the special command playlist also available, and if you are following this playlist then you don't need to follow any other Odoo's playlist because this is the main playlist for the Odoo development. And for example, if you want to learn more about Odoo with the specific topic wise, then you can just follow this sub playlist of the Odoo. So let's back to our main topic, like overview of the different type of views. So first thing is like how you can create menus, and you can also add parent child menus also. So you can see this is the main menu in Odoo. You can also add icons on it. Also you can create sub menus, like you can see here the configuration is a parent menu, and under this menu you can see the sub menus also available. So like this way we can create in our further session. Then after, the next view is the search view. So here you can see this is the main search view, and by default in list view it is available, and based on the fields you can also search specific records. Here there are three type of buttons available. The first one is the filter. In filter you can also add your filters, like you can also add some conditions. Then after, if you want to filter more, then you can just use this last option, add custom filter. So here you will see the list of fields available for the specific model. So right now you can see this is quotation model, so by default you can see this one. Also you can extend the filter options here. Then after, the next one is the group by. You can also perform group by operations using this button. Then after, the last one is the favorite. So here in this favorite, by default you can see the import records, and using that import records operations you have to create one CSV file, and based on the model's field name you have to assign, and you can just create record using CSV file. You can just directly import here CSV file. We will see how we can do it. And for example, like if you want to save your current filter, you can also save it and it will display inside this favorite option. The next view is the list view. In Odoo's terminology, it's a tree view. So here you can see like how the tree view is working. So basically this is only list of record is display, and you can also add like images, special icons, and then after you can also use aggregation functions, plus you can also hide specific fields. And we will see all the real test case in our further discussions. Next view is form view. You can see here this is the form view. You can also add or edit the record using the form view. Here you can see how you can also create fancy buttons, smart buttons. Then after, how you can also add a specific status. Then after, how you can also use group by, or I mean the from the GUI side, like how you can also implement div tag. Then after, how you can also implement notebooks, and there are many options available to create a attractive form view. We will see the real task case in further discussion. Next is the Kanban view. Like for example, if you want to display your record in a card level like this, then you can just use the Kanban view. You can also group by the specific state wise. You can also add a progress bar here also. Then you can also implement drag drop functionality to change the status. We will see in the further discussion. The next view is the calendar view. Here you can create a calendar view like this, and also it depends on your model. We will see the real test case. Another view is the pivot view. Here like user can just plus or minus the specific fields. This screenshot is for the quotation. So basically like you will see the different quotations here. based on the different customers, like that. So you can also create your own pivot view. Then after, you can see here the supported graph view also available. We will see the real test case, like how you can create all this type of graph in Odoo's backend side. Another view is the activity view. Like you can see right now, this screenshot is for the quotation and sales order. So you can see here the quotations activity here. We will see how we can also implement in our current project. Then after, you can see this is the dashboard view, and this is the screenshot of the payment acquirer. You can also see in your side. We will see two different type of dashboards. One is the static like this, and another is a dynamic dashboard using jQuery. So there is only one different, like one we are creating dashboard using XML side, and another view we are just using the jQuery. And the last one is the settings, like how you can create setting views like company level or global configuration settings using like this screenshot. We will see all the real test case and trying to cover all the views. So that's it for now, and in case I missed any view which is not mentioned here, please comment below, and see you in next session.